Till 3. Very important, because now the third torch, I have 2. If you make a nice throw, I'll dribble. If you don't make a nice throw, these 2 will come back at you. Yeah? Alright, let's see this. Oh. Not there. Not there at all. I have to fast forward like 15 tracks. It's here! It's here, sound guy. I'll do it without. Can you count with me? I say 1, you say 1, 1! 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this is where the music comes on spontaneously, but it doesn't. So, we'll do 1 trick under the leg, very flammable, and before they go out, I'll try to find my balance in life. I've been trying that for the last 30 years. It's not always easy, people. It's a getting up, getting down, getting over it, finding your balance, slowly but surely in life. There you go. And that's what Father Show does, because now I'm stuck. I'm a lady in this dress. I made this dress myself. I need a hero. Is there a hero on stage? Hero, save this damsel. Just a dog!
That's what she had.